I'm Chris Whitehurst. This is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate, episode 101 on commissions. This is actually part 1 in a 3-part series. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week and you don't want to miss one. Commissions is how real estate agents get paid. It's a percentage of the total sale of a home. There are no set commissions and every agent and firm is different. Make sure you check with your agent to discuss not only their commission, but what you're going to get in exchange. The seller usually pays the listing agent a percentage of the sales, and the listing agent splits that commission with the buyer's agent. This isn't always the case, but it's more common than not. One thing to keep in mind is agents don't get paid until the house closes. Another thing to consider is that the house doesn't sell, the agent doesn't collect any money. I have a deeper dive on commissions on my YouTube channel. There's a lot of other information there as well. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.